What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my new channel, Wana I Am, because I am Wana. And today I'm doing another mukbang video. This is my second video, y'all. Y'all stay tuned. I'll be right back. It's me. Thanks for staying, guys. Today is going to be my second mukbang video. And today I'm having buffalo wings, garlic bread, and some tater tots. If you're coming back, thank you for watching again. And if you're new, my channel is Wana I Am, because I am Wana. So let me bless my food and we'll begin. Amen. So I hope you guys have something to eat. So I have blue cheese. Comment below if you like blue cheese. Some people like ranch. I have both, but I'm gonna do blue cheese today. And I got some ketchup for my tater tots over here. And I have some garlic bread, like I said. So let's see if I could do a thumbnail today. Okay. So I'm gonna just put some of this on the side. Got some napkins over here. And I have a wine cooler, guys. Adult beverage. Jamaican me happy. Just in case I get thirsty. This is gonna get messy. These are some, oh, my hands are already messed. So I'm gonna put some blue cheese here. So I'm outside again. It's about 8:30 p.m. The sun is going down. And my first video, I was fighting with the sun. It was in, out, in, out. And I think my first video was a little dark. It was a little dark for me. Let's try one of these little itty bitty wings. I love blue cheese. Very good, very good. Tater tot, some ketchup. Yeah, I'm gonna need this. I don't eat a lot of spicy stuff, but I can do buffalo wings. Definitely can do buffalo wings. Let's try some of the garlic bread. I didn't want it to get too hard or too crusty. Probably could have kept that in the oven a little bit longer. I love flats. I love flats. What's your favorite part of the wing? The little drum or the flat? I think my napkin's gonna fly away over here. I'm going to eat a little bit, and then I want to talk about the first video. The only thing about being outside, you have all the background noises. Like there's a truck going by right now. And the birds are chirping. Like in my first video, I didn't even notice because I was so nervous and I was concentrating so hard. The neighbor's dog across the street was barking like crazy towards the end of the video. He's about I think a year and a half, he said. So he's still like puppy age, and he is still growing, very young, so he's very hyper. But today, excuse me, whoa. That hot sauce got me a little bit. So today, for the last few days, it's been not so hot, like mid 70s, close to 80. I can deal with that, but once it gets past 80 up into the 90s, I get real uncomfortable. Have to be under the AC, relaxing. This is messy business, y'all. I'm trying to eat most of this. So, I wanted to do a video yesterday, but they're actually doing the road. They were milling out here, and now they have to come back and pave. So it was very noisy yesterday. So I waited till today, and I wanted the sun to go down a little bit. I think I'm gonna try doing a video at nighttime to see how that looks. Oh my God. Did y'all see that? I am making a mess. I am making a mess. Alright, it's all good. It's worth it. I haven't had buffalo wings in a while. I know I'm not gonna eat all this. So, my first video. How did I feel about it? I wanted to just do it straight from beginning to end. No editing, no intro, outro, nothing. I'm just happy that I did it. Because I have been putting it off for a very long time, procrastinating, just practicing with videos and not uploading. So I talked myself into it, and I said I'm not changing my mind. So I just put it up there, and I'm so happy I did. I have a lot of support from my family, who I love dearly. If y'all watching now, I love you so much. And I just can't wait to do different things and for my channel to grow. I look forward to it. Look forward to it. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment down below, advice, suggestions, ideas, share it. And of course, thumbs up, like it, if I didn't say that already. Okay. I should have brought my napkins. Let's see, it's already getting late. Trust me, what I don't eat will definitely be a late night snack. I should have had some pizza with this. A supreme pizza with all the toppings. That would have definitely went down. I am making such a mess. A little more blue cheese. I can even see my time from here. So, if you want to follow me, I'm on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. So for Snapchat and Instagram, it's Wana I Am. And for Twitter, it's Wana, WANA, _am. And eventually, I'll list links and everything below. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me. Just eat a little bit more, y'all. Get another piece of this bread. I wasn't all that hungry, y'all, today. A little bit. So I think I'm gonna just eat about half of this. And like I said, it will not go to waste. Not much really to talk about today. I just wanted to thank everybody if you're coming back for the second time. since my first video a few days ago. I appreciate it. I got some subscribers. It's just amazing to watch how things grow, and I pray that everything goes smooth. I get better with my videos and I'm more comfortable in front of the camera, the phone, or whatever. I will. I'm learning. It's a learning process. It's a journey. I pray for everybody. Pray everybody is blessed and safe. And on that note, I'm going to end the video now, and I will be back soon. So until then, be blessed. Thank you for watching.